Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Gangadhara Shiva. Jai Hind, I am Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to study about the unit number 7 and the name of the unit is Data Entry and Keyboarding Skill. It would be the complete notes of the unit, and first question arises, why do we study this unit? It is because it would help you to enhance the typing speed and accuracy. Along with this, it builds the confidence in computer place uses, and along with this, it prepares the student for digital tasks and academic and for government job also purpose. So first, what we will study here, we will discuss about the syllabus, and the syllabus is from book. The book is from Saraswati publication. So we are here first in the first session. There session is divided keyboard and its keys. And here in this first session, we'll take the introduction to the keyboard, and second it would be understanding the different keys of like alphanumeric key, function key, special keys, etc. In the second session, touch typing. Here we will learning to the type without looking at keyboard, and proper finger placement and posture for fast and error-free typing. In the session 3, it would be typing using rapid typing software. It is a practice software using the free software tools, and improving the typing speed and accuracy through the digital practice. And the next is analyzing result and student statistics. This would be session number 4, checking the analyzing the rapid result and measuring the word per minute WPM, error free improvement. And the session number 5, working with the lesson editor, and here creating your own typing lessons and editing lessons and customize them for practice. Now first come to the introduction. So first, before introduction, I would like to say that why would you study this unit. Generally I have already told you it would be enhance the typing speed. Now the first introduction, data entry and keyboard skilling are essential for working efficiently on computers. This unit helps students understand the layout of the keyboard, learn to type with accuracy and speed, and analyzing their performance. Now in the session number first, type of keyboard. In the type of keyboard, what we will study here, types of keys on keyboard, means what are the types of keys. First is typing key, A to Z and 0 to 9. These are the typing key, it is known as typing key. And modifier key, modifier key is the shift control alt. This is used to other keys, this is used with other keys, means simply it is not with single, you can use with other key. And the functional key, F1 to F12, these are performs the function special tasks. Each one have the special task like F1, F2, F3, F4, F4, all these have the different tasks. So in the next is navigation key, these are the key available on the keyboard. And the arrow key, home key, end key, and pace up and down key, these are the key. Now the numeric key, right side of the keyboard, it is used to quick number entry. And the next is special key, enter, backspace, and delete, escape, tab, caps lock, these are the special key. Now the next is importance of proper keyboard usage. See, first, improve the speed and accuracy, and it helps avoid physical strength, postures, and finger placement. In the session number second, typing, touch typing. What is touch typing? The typing without looking at the keyboard by memorizing the key position, that is known as the touch typing. In the home key, in the left side, generally with the left hand, we take the ASDF, and in the right hand we take J, K, L, M, and the column, and the finger rest are in this key. So now finger placement and techniques. Use the correct finger for each keys. Along with this, it keeps the wrist straight and relaxed. Look at the screen, not keyboard. And the session number third, that is the typing using rapid typing software. These are the writing topic software. Is a software which is used, provides the free software tool for typing. Features of rapid typing software. First is free typing tutorials, along with this fun and interactive interface, and it provides the lesson with the track progress, and it shows the speed in WPM and accuracy, and how to use it. Generally we start with the beginners lesson and the practice daily for better speed, and use the result for improvement and improve accuracy. In the lesson number 4, that is the session number 4, analyze result and student statistics performance analysis. Here first it would be the WPM, number of word typed in a minutes, that is the WPM, and the accuracy, percentage of correct word type. And the second, improving typing skill, focuses on accuracy first then speed. See what we'll do whenever we do practice in lab, simply we will focus on accuracy first, after that then speed. Now the analyze free and practice weak areas. If suppose you are practicing and if you find the problem on any particular key, it will show the result and you have to work on those key, and the practice regularly and track your stats. These are the, and the session number 5, it is lesson editor features. Generally it creates custom typing lessons and set goals for speed and accuracy, and it save edit lesson per requirement, and using lesson editor effectively. See, add difficult word per pattern or practices, and creates short paragraphs for speed drills, and monitor improvement using self-created test. Now the complete summary of the session is that keyboard and its key. The first is learn different type of key, typing, modifier key, and the function key, navigation key, and numeric key. In the second, there is a uses of improve the typing speed. Now the next is typing, touch typing. The touch typing without looking at the keyboard, using the correct finger placement on home row keys, that is the touch typing, and it focuses on postures and hand positioning and finger techniques. Now the typing using rapid typing software, it uses the software to improve the typing speed and accuracy, and the practice with the interactive lesson and monitor performance and analyzing the result and student statistics. And the next is learn to evaluate WPM and accuracy. Now the analyze error free and track improvement. Now you working with lesson editor, create custom typing lesson using a lesson editor tools, and the useful for focus practice and self assessment. So with this thing, if you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. With this thing, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.